Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this one on a very routine basis. Did it about 24 hours ago. So that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, I talked about how the price was essentially approaching kind of a double whammy type area of resistance. And that is indeed what has played out. This resistance area, resistance zone, maybe that's a better way to put it, was formed initially by this red line right here at 7,400. And then you had kind of its partner up there, the 50 period simple moving average, which, as you can see here, has a very, evident downward slope to it. And you can see between this, sure, the price got above the 7,400 mark, but then when it got up to that purple line there, the 50 period, that's exactly where the price got rejected, and it's currently pulling back. I say currently because remember the cryptocurrency market is open 24/7. So who knows, maybe things can turn around. And if you are watching this video several hours from now, that's kind of why I like the 4-hour time frame. It just allows me to talk about more so broad levels so that this chart remains relevant for as long as possible. So if you're watching this video, 8 hours from now and the price is now back up above, that purple line, well then, hey, that's a sign that the bulls have made a good solid step in the right direction. But any sort of, like I said, again, watching this several hours from now, if the price is still below the purple line, well then, yeah, the bears are still in, overall control. And as I've said in past videos and will continue to say, there's no doubt about it, the price can still make good solid bounces. I mean, right here is a good solid bounce. But as far as long-term strength, the bulls are stumbling once again as the price got rejected and is currently pulling back. So on the pullback, definitely a key level to keep an eye on is going to be this green line right here, valued at 7,200. So if you're watching this video and the price is now down below 7,200, then the next key level of support, it would be down here around the 7,100 mark. But if you're pulling this up and the price is even down below 7,100, well then that would be a sign that things have gotten that much more bearish. But as things stand right now, yeah, temporarily the price seems to have been rejected here, but if the price could maybe build some sort of higher base and then start to work its way back upwards, that would be a nice little sign of strength. Because if right now it's really all about building a higher base compared to where the price was right here. So we'll see if the bulls can get that job done or not. But yeah, as far as the bounce, so far it's been denied. But on the bright side, the bulls do still have a chance to build that higher base. So we'll see if they can get the job done or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.